West Indies fast bowler Alzarri Joseph says it's difficult to make the transition from Test cricket to the T20 format. He has been included in the T20 squad to face Australia in a 5-match series starting on Sunday at Sabina Park.
The West Indies will be hoping for better luck against Australia in the 5-match T20 series following their 3-0 whitewash in the Test format. Despite the regional side finishing the Test series without a win, the bowlers were impressive, taking all of Australia's 60 wickets. West Indies fast bowler Alzarri Joseph says while the bowling adjustment from Test to T20 can be challenging, he's aware of what it takes to succeed.
It's not the easiest thing to do, because that now brings in your different variations that you probably put in your back pocket in a Test match. But generally in the power play, bowling a new ball, you want to be able to hit that Test length, that Test area. Depends on how the match situation is. You reach for your variations, sometimes in the power play, but mostly in the middle and the back end. You want to depend on your slow balls, your bouncers, your yorkers. It's about getting back into those variations and being able to execute them when necessary.
Joseph is also asking fans to come and support the team on Andre Russell in his last 2 games for the West Indies. Russell has played 84 matches for the West Indies, accumulating 1,078 runs at an average of 22.
Well, I'd say that it's a perfect opportunity for them to come out and see us play in Sabina under the lights, and it's also, like you say, a farewell to Dre Russ. And I don't think that's something you'll want to miss, because I think he's going to come with something really special for the Jamaican crowd.
Former West Indies fast bowler Darren Powell is expecting the good bowling display from the Test matches to continue into the T20 series despite a changed lineup.
Some changes, yes, but I guarantee you that they can put it together also in the T20 format. And the batters, I expect some the batters to click more. It's their kind of game when they can attack like the Brandon Kings and all those guys. They can attack more. And I believe that this team will do well. Is how well they start and how much we get out of Andre in his last 2 games. And that will be the key point for me.
The first T20 will bowl off at 7 p.m. Jamaica time at Sabina Park. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.